Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a special marine warning for Southern Bay of Green Bay, near shore waters from Washington Island to Two Rivers, open waters of Lake Michigan from Rock Island Passage to Two Rivers, until 6:15 p.m. or 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 4:43 p.m. Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, capable of producing strong winds to nearly 50 knots, and small hail 9 nautical miles west of Swamico, moving east at 35 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near Longtail Point light around 5 p.m. Green Bay Harbor entrance light around 5:10 p.m. Bay Shore Park around 5:15 p.m. Mariners can expect strong winds to nearly 50 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes.